Outdoor lighting has the power to completely transform how you experience your home. My name is Tim Salopek, and I'm the owner of Illumination FL. We're a family-owned and operated landscape lighting company, proudly serving South Florida for more than 20 years. Our passion is helping homeowners, builders, architects, and landscape designers bring outdoor spaces to life after dark through professionally designed lighting systems that enhance beauty, safety, and curb appeal. At Illumination FL, we believe great lighting doesn't just illuminate a property, it transforms the entire experience of it. That idea is what led to the creation of Illumination FL in 2003, helping homeowners bring their outdoor spaces to life with thoughtfully designed landscape lighting. Most homes look beautiful during the day, but once the sun sets, all of that detail disappears. Without the right lighting, architectural details, landscaping, and outdoor spaces simply fade into the dark. We saw an opportunity to change that and to help homeowners experience their property in a completely different way. What differentiates us from any other company in South Florida is our size. We have about 17, 18 vehicles that go out every day, 6 days a week. When I started Illumination FL, my goal was simple: combine artistic design with professional installation to create outdoor lighting systems that were both beautiful and accessible. Serving Palm Beach, Broward, Collier, and Lee counties, we've built our company around hiring and training our own professional designers and installers. It has taken many years of training and hands-on experience to develop the level of expertise our team brings to every project. And that pride and professionalism shows in the work we do. Landscape lighting doesn't just improve the look of your property. Every property is different. Some homeowners want to highlight a specific feature. Through an award-winning design process, the Illumination FL team works closely with each client to create lighting that complements the architecture, landscaping, and lifestyle of the home.
Anytime you're lighting a person's house, you want to stand in the front of the driveway looking at the house and with them and asking them, what do you want to see? What's important? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to accomplish? What are you trying to highlight? And so that when you place your lights, eyes always go to the brightest source. And so obviously you want to say, here's my front door. This is how you get into my house. It's very simple. My house starts here, it goes over to here, and here's all my neat stuff.
It improves safety, adds security, and most importantly, allows you to experience your home in a whole new way. I'm very passionate about it. I wake up in the morning with all the energy in the world to go out there and just design, install, and get my guys fired up to just keep on rocking and rolling. This business has never been just a job to me. It's been my passion from the very beginning. I truly enjoy the art and creativity behind outdoor lighting and the impact it has on how people experience their homes at night. That passion is what continues to drive me, our company, and our commitment to doing things the right way every single day. If you're ready to explore what landscape lighting can do for your home or business, we'd love to help. Connect with the Illumination FL team and let's begin creating something beautiful together.